Hello everyone. Let us solve problem C of AtCoder regular contest 110. We'll take the first example to understand the problem. In the first example, we have an array of size 5 and elements are 2, 4, 1, 5, 3. So it is permutation of 5 number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And you can perform the operation to swap this element, and you can perform here as well to swap the element which is here and which is here, similarly this and this, and you have to perform each operation exactly once, and your goal is to find out whether there is a order in which you can perform the operation and make this array sorted. So as per example, they are performing first operation here, which is 4 5. They're using this operation. So when you will perform this operation, this array will become 2, 4, 1, and now it will become 3 5. This swapped, and this operation is still left, this one is left, this one is left. Now you don't have this operation anymore. Now similarly, say if you perform this operation now, so in that case your array will become 2, 1, 4, 3, 5. You swap these two elements. This operation is left, and now this operation is left. Now in the next step you can perform this operation, so you will get 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, and this one is still left. Now in the last operation you will do this swap, and you will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So eventually your array became sorted after doing the operation in this order, right? You first perform this operation, then this one, then this one, and then this one. So if there is some order to make the array sorted, you have to print the order. So you perform this order, right? So you have to print the index of the first one among the pair. So index of this is 4. Here you perform this operation, index of this is 2. Then this index is 3. Then the last here, index of the first element among the pair is 1. And that is sorted. So you have to print this. There can be multiple answers. You can print any one of them. And if it is not possible to make it sorted, whatever order you perform these operations, so in that case we have to print -1, that it is not possible to sort the array. So now let us look at how to solve this problem. So say you are at some ith element, and whatever was before the ith element, first element, second element till I minus 1th element, they are already sorted. So we don't have to worry about this. Now we are here and we have these many operations left. So on. till the last element, which will be n. Now, if this element, now find the minimum element among all this, and say if this is the minimal element, this one is the minimum among all of them, in that case the answer will be -1, because if you can see here that you will have to perform one operation here, and when you will do that, this element will go here somewhere else, and once you do the operation, after that you won't be able to bring it back, because you can only do this operation once. So when you will do this, this will come here, and then you won't be able to bring it back, but you know the actual position of this is here itself, because this is the minimum, right? So the step number 1, if this is the minimum element, in that case the answer will be -1. If not, if, let me write it here, if this is minimum, in that case answer will be -1, because you have to perform one operation, and when will you do that, you won't be able to bring this element back to this place, which is its original position. But if it is not minimum, so minimum is somewhere else. So for example, this is ith element, and say this is the minimum element, this one, let's take j, right? This is the minimum element, a, b, c, and d. Okay, d is the minimum element among all of them, all of these, d is the minimum. So what we want to bring this d here at the first location, because we want to sort them. So to bring it here, first we'll have to perform this operation, then this operation, then this operation, right? So once these operations are performed, so d will come here, and a will move forward by 1, b will come here, and c will come here, right? Yes, and there is no operation left here now. After here, there will be operations, but here there is no operation. But now you know that you can't change the position of these 3 elements, right? Because there is no operation left here. So it means this d should be the minimum one among all this, which it is, because it is the minimum one. But this should be the second minimum among here. Not, I'm not looking at the previous I minus 1 thing. Among here, this should be the second minimum, and this should be the third minimum, right? Because we know that now we can't move these 3, so they should be in the sorted order, and this should be the first minimum among these, and this second minimum, then this is third minimum, right? Yeah. But if say they are not, say this one is not second minimum or this one is not third minimum, in that case the answer will be -1. So 1 minus 1 scenario is coming from here if these are not the proper minimum, right? But say they are satisfying, or they are fine, like they are second or third, fourth minimum, like this. So in that case, now we have to solve this problem, right? So if you look back, we started at this I, right? And we have this these many operations left, and we want to sort them. Now we reached here, and the scenario is same, only the I has moved somewhere. There's a new I, right? And the scenario is same. So what this is, now we have to repeat the same process, whatever we started from here to reach here. Now we'll take this and repeat the same process, right? And eventually we'll solve the problem.